In a major update, PiNetwork has announced successful unblocking of over 1 million pioneers, allowing them to either submit new Know Your Customer (KYC) applications or continue with their existing ones. In the recent Post-X, the platform has made key improvements to its KYC process, fixing technical issues to ensure a smoother onboarding experience for all users. Key changes include allowing resubmissions for previously rejected applications and resolving tentative KYC statuses that had stalled progress for many users. Additionally, the platform has implemented fixes for block submissions, ensuring that technical barriers no longer hinder the application process. Looking forward, PiNetwork plans to address name mismatches, enabling users to rectify discrepancies between their provided names and official documents. The team is also developing scalable solutions for tentative KYC statuses, aiming to make the process more efficient for the growing user base. The network has extended the first grace period deadline to December 31st, 2024, to give users more time to complete their KYC. Ability to apply. Around 1.2 million pioneers who were previously not able to move forward with their KYC application have been unblocked in just the past 2 months. Resubmission opportunity for rejected applications. Some pioneers whose KYC applications were previously rejected due to process or submission errors caused by the individual applicant can now resubmit once a month. This improvement has already helped nearly 250,000 individuals resubmit their applications, allowing them to correct mistakes. Processing tentatively accepted applications. About 200,000 tentatively accepted KYC applications have been unblocked. Over 122,000 out of these are now being reprocessed to move forward in the process to fully complete KYC. The remaining applications require the applicant to take additional actions, such as more liveness checks to progress. Therefore, if you are in the tentative KYC status, please check if you can take these additional actions. There will be more tentatively accepted KYC applications unblocked soon, so monitor your applications to see if any action is necessary from you to proceed. Bug fixes for blocked applications. Key issues that hindered some users from completing KYC have been resolved, such as bugs affecting liveness videos and form submission. Upcoming updates: improved tentative approvals. A new method that has been developed for a while and is currently being tested and improved for scalability will be deployed soon to finalize more tentatively accepted KYC applications at scale, allowing more people to fully pass KYC. Solutions for name mismatches. For pioneers whose Pi account name and KYC name do not match, these applications normally would be rejected due to their failure to prove their ownership of the account through their verified identity in KYC, including accounts that do not follow the requirement to use real names, despite several clear notices in the app interface, and miss the 2-week window to update their account with their real names. However, as community reports show, there is a possibility that genuine pioneers face this situation. To balance enabling such genuine pioneers to have a resolution and the need to prevent violations of terms and policies such as account transfers, upcoming updates will provide potential genuine pioneer accounts with the option to either appeal for a chance to resubmit their application with corrected details, or update their Pi account name to their KYC's name with a penalty of forfeiting part of their mobile balance. Moving forward together. These updates are a key step toward enabling more pioneers to successfully complete their KYC and advance toward mainnet migration. If you've encountered obstacles with KYC in the past, now is the perfect time to revisit your application. The latest fixes and improvements might have addressed the issues preventing your progress. Remember, if you've passed KYC, complete your mainnet checklist steps to migrate your transferable balance to mainnet, because KYC alone will not enable the migration process.